Thank you all for attending this year's annual Bots at the Beach tournament, RePLAY, brought to you by FRC Team 3476, Code Orange. We hope to see you on our team in the future. There were some remarkable robots and projects that were presented. We would like to congratulate all the teams for their incredible effort this season. It has been a blast to see each team grow as they were faced with new challenges. We would now like to take some time to thank our amazing sponsors. Without them, this competition would not be possible. And a special thank you to Applied Medical and Laser Graphics. You are helping create generations of innovators.
Thanks, Max. Now let's go over this year's teams. When the sun is shining and the waves are crashing, you can count on Team 3615, the Beach Girls, to build some incredible robots. When you combine building and technology and add a little bit of Lego, you get Team 31990, Architect. Superheroes can do some pretty incredible things, especially when they unite to build some incredible robots. Team 32646 is the Incredibites. Radio waves, ocean waves, microwaves. It doesn't matter what type of waves. Team 45963, Brainwaves, is ready to build. Wait, do you see that coming towards us? You could run, or you could jump, but you better duck, because it's 46277, Robot Duck. Delta, a variable, an airline, or even the end of a river. Whichever the case, 46637 Delta Bots is there to win. When you need some cyber tech for your robots, nobody is better to call than 50482 Cyber Robotica. Ladies, gentlemen, and pandas? Please create a pandemonium for Team Pandemonium 50859. Well, we just had pandas, so why not have some birds? How about we call in Supreme Chicken 50939, Sylvan of Irvine. Some are senseis, others are experts, but none are as wise as Team 51365, Robomasters. Lastly, what do you find in canyons? Well, there are boulders, rivers, and of course, we can't forget 51639 Sage Canyon Lego Legends.
Thank you, Noah. And now for some robots.
It's dancing. Color. Know about one urban bullet bar.
There are cubes in the frame now. The cube is in the crate. The crate is at its highest point.
Seconds left.
The backrest is off and the cubes are getting into the hotspot spaces. Back to the base. Match has ended. The pull-up bar has taken the robot completely off the
And now I'd like to thank this year's volunteers. We had an amazing team of volunteers. Most of our volunteer positions had to be covered by those over 18 this year. That meant that we had Code Orange team parents step up. We also had former Code Orange team members who came back to mentor Code Orange. We even had a few current Code Orange members who you saw putting you into proper breakout rooms and those that made the award video. All volunteers gave up their valuable work, school, personal time to do this because they believe in the program. They thought it would be finished in November, but stuck with all the changes to the online format due to the pandemic. They attended meetings for months, and many watched your videos over and over to make sure they gave you the right scores. They know it is important. Many have been FLL coaches or on FLL teams themselves. They know and respect the work you put into it. And thank you to all the FLL coaches and parents for all of your hard work and dedication. And next, I'd like to have a brief compilation of all the projects this year. I just love the brilliant ideas that kids come up with to solve the world's challenges. This year's Innovative Challenge project asked each team to come up with a way to get more people to exercise. After much brainstorming and research, we give you the team's final solutions. This project from Beach Girls developed Nostalgia Park, a safe, interactive park for Alzheimer's patients to enjoy with their family. Team Architect made the convenient Pocket Fitness app, an app that would encourage people to do a larger amount of fitness with a wide range of activities. Team Incredibytes came up with Aqua Pulse, a device that would let blind swimmers know when they were getting close to a pool wall so they could do a flip turn. This would encourage them to swim more often. Team Brainwaves designed SCS, Save Community Sports, a COVID-19 safe sports environment, which is a plan to get people outside even during a pandemic. It finds a way to do community sports outside. Team Robot Duck chose to make Kid Fit app, an online board game to motivate kids to exercise. The team DeltaBots designed Sports for All, an all-inclusive way to encourage people of all ability levels to exercise. They use VR, and their app is great for people with prosthetics and those who need moral support too. This project from Chicken Supreme is a plan to safely have people work out at an outdoor gym with sterilizing routines and time schedules. Team RoboMasters developed Ecotech, an interactive work desk that would allow people to exercise while at their desk jobs. Team Sage Canyon Lego Masters improved the school playground for kids to make it more exciting and keep it safe during the pandemic. And now on to what we have all been waiting for, the awards! First up, we have Robot Design. This team uses outstanding programming principles and solid engineering practices to develop a robot that is mechanically sound, durable, efficient, and highly capable of performing challenge missions. And the team that won this year's Robot Design Award is Team 31990 Architect. And next up we have Innovative Project. This team utilizes diverse resources for their innovation project to help them gain a comprehensive understanding of their problem, have a creative, well-researched solution, and effectively communicate their findings to judges and the community. And a team that won this year's Innovative Project Award is Team 32646 Incredibytes. Next up we have Core Values, one of the most important awards. This team displays extraordinary enthusiasm and spirit. knows they can accomplish more together than they could as individuals and shows each and other teams respect at all times. And the team that won this year's Core Values Award is Team 51365 RoboMasters. Next up we have Robot Performance. This award celebrates a team that scores the most points during the robot games. Teams have a chance to compete and only their highest score counts. And the team that won this year's Robot Performance Award is Team 31990 Architect with a score of 540 points. Next up we have the Best Coach or Mentor. This award goes to the coach or mentor that showed exceptional leadership and guidance for their team. And the person who won Best Coach or Mentor this year is Wayne Zhao from Team Brainwaves 45963. Congratulations. And next up we have the Breakthrough and Rising All-Star Awards. The Breakthrough Award celebrates a team that made significant progress in their confidence and capability in robot design, the Innovation Project, or core values. The Rising All-Star Award celebrates a team that the judges notice and expect great things from in the future. So, the winner of the Breakthrough Award this year is Team DeltaBots. And then, the Rising All-Star winner this year is Team Sage Canyon LEGO Legends. Congratulations. The Champions Award. This award celebrates a team that embodies the first LEGO League Challenge experience by fully embracing our core values while achieving excellence and innovation in robot performance, robot design, and the Innovation Project. And the team that won this year's Champions Award is Team 50859 Pandemonium. Congratulations. And next, for the teams advancing on to the Southern California Championships, I'd like to say a big congratulations to Teams Pandemonium, Team Architect, and Team RoboMasters. Congratulations to all of you, you've done a fantastic job. Thank you all for attending Bots of the Beach. I really hope to see each and every one of you on Code Orange FRC 3476 in the future. Thank you.